In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add keywords in Webflow, a quick and effective way to boost your website's visibility in search engines. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Webflow account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. This will take you to your Webflow dashboard, which is your central hub for managing your projects. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the particular project that you'd like to optimize and get ready to dive into some SEO improvements. You'll notice a sidebar, and right below the plus icon, there's an option labeled Pages. Go ahead and click on that. This action will open a list of all the pages in your project. Now find your home page or any other page that you're targeting for keyword optimization. You'll see a settings widget right beside the home option. Click on that settings gear. It usually sits at the top center of your screen, making it easy to find. As soon as you click the settings widget, the page settings will appear. This is where we can start to make impactful changes to help search engines understand what your web page is about. Let's start with the title tags. These are crucial for SEO because they're one of the first things search engines examine to grasp the topic of a web page. Focus on optimizing your title tags by placing the most important keywords at the beginning. Webflow recommends keeping these title tags under 60 characters. It prevents your meticulously crafted titles from getting cut off in search results, which can diminish their effectiveness. As an additional tip, try to consider what words your audience might be searching for and naturally incorporate those into your titles. Now, let's move on to integrating keywords within your page content. It's tempting to sprinkle your primary keyword all over, but be cautious not to overdo it, a practice known as keyword stuffing. This not only looks unnatural to human readers, but search engines have evolved to detect and penalize this tactic, which can hurt your site's ranking rather than help it. Instead, go for a balanced approach. Use a mix of your primary keywords, but also include synonyms and related terms throughout your content. This strategy enriches your content while conveying robust relevancy to search engines. By following these steps and implementing these strategies, you're on your way to making your Webflow pages more SEO-friendly. Remember, search engine optimization is a delicate balance. So aim for optimizing your content in a way that reflects the needs and interests of your audience while staying aligned with best practices. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck optimizing your Webflow site.